Another relevant concept is operator associativity. Let's say that we are doing a bunch of operators, but they are all in the same category of the same priority, like for example the plus and minus. So the associativity refers to how do you group them. Is it from left to right or from right to left? Let's see a simple expression for that. Let's say I have something like 10 minus 6 plus 3. Here, 10 minus 6 plus 3. Grouping from left means to apply these two guys first, then the result with the plus 3. So you first do 10 minus 6, which would be 4, and then you do the 4 plus 3, which is 7. Now see here, if I try to do right to left, I'm going to group first the 6 plus 3 here to 9, then 10 minus 9 is 1. You see the result overall is wrong. And here is a very similar expression. Taking it left to right isn't the same as taking it right to left. Normally in mathematics we do it left to right. Almost all of the operators in the Python are left to right, with the only exception is the exponent operator, the power operator. When I say something like 2 to the power 3 to the power 4, in mathematics we need to evaluate 3 to the power 4, then 2 to the total power. That's why 3 to the power 4 will be solved first, then 2 to the power this result will be computed. So 3 to the power 4 is 18, so this expression is like 2 to the power 81, which is such a big value. And this is mainly coming from mathematics in terms of the order. Also worth noting that some operators actually have no associativity with it. Let's say something like x equal y equal z equal 3. Is it xy applied first or yz applied first? If you try to apply x equal y, what is the return of this expression? It is meaningless. It doesn't work this way. So in Python, this guy is just implemented internally as 3 assignments, and that's it. So there is no associativity here. You don't care about that. It doesn't add value. But I just wanted to know that this is implemented internally, just like 3 assignment statements. That's it. A final relevant topic is the order of evaluation. When I say something like 2 to the power 10 divided by 2 plus 3 times 4, we know that about the precedence and about the associativity. But which expression will be evaluated first, like as an operand, this guy as an overall or this guy as an overall? In Python, we do the evaluation always from left to right. The interpreter is going to do them from left to right. So this expression is going to be evaluated first as an operand, and this guy second as an operand. So for example, let's say you have something like 1 plus 2 to the power 3 minus 1 to the power 4 minus 2. We know from the associativity that this guy should be first computed with this guy and the result with this guy. That's okay. But what about the values itself that we need to give to the power operator? This value here and this value here and this value here. These 3 expressions will be evaluated from left to right first. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2. After we evaluated them left to right, now we give them to the we come to the final evaluation, which will be right to left. So left to right evaluation for the expressions, but right to left here for the associativity. Should you care about that? The answer is no, it doesn't matter. But if you are coming from C++, you know that there were no order in C++ about the order of evaluation, which might be a bit tricky. But here in Python, it's always left to right, which is very straightforward. Let's put these guys together. The precedence is more about the order of the operations, specifically because we have different priorities between the different operators. Associativity is all about, are you going to make them left to right or right to left? But before we do this left to right or right to left, we need to prepare the values of the operands. When I say 3 plus 5, the 3 is ready, the 5 is ready to be added. But if you have a big expression plus big expression, here the order of evaluation comes to the scene and tell us that we'll evaluate the first operand first, then the second operand. Once we are ready, we start to apply the precedence and associativity. Yeah, that's all.